It is absolutely so. I can't help it but to smile and to be happy. It feels so amazing to be able to smile. To be able to smile is happiness. Like, oh my god, I feel so good. Oh, I feel amazing. I'm so happy that I came. Damn. Oh. Ah, I might seem crazy to the world, but that's what life is. That's what life is. And it's not to brag. All of us are capable of being this way, being the way that God wants us to be. Just find those moments that will help and guide you to where you need to be, and listen for guidance at all time. Stop make negativity and fear hold on to us and stopping us from live. We're here to live. That's what we're here for, to enjoy all of this. Like, literally be fully covered to enjoy what we see.